In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the post URL in ClickFunnels 2.0 using the SEO post path. Let's start from the very beginning on your main ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard. After you've logged into your account, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation area. From here, you'll want to locate the section labeled Site and Blog. Click on that, and a few more options will expand underneath. From those options, select Blog. This will take you to the main blog area where all of your posts are listed. On the blog page, you'll see a list of your existing blog posts, usually with titles, dates, and some basic information. Take a moment to find the specific post whose URL you want to edit. You can identify it by its title. Once you've found it, look over to the right side of that post's row. You should see a small gear icon. This gear icon is the settings or edit button for that post. Click on the gear to open the post editor. When the post editor opens, you'll see several sections where you can adjust different settings for your blog post, such as the content, images, and metadata. For what we're doing today, you'll want to scroll down the page until you find the section labeled SEO and sharing. This is where ClickFunnels lets you control how your post appears in search engines and when it's shared on social media. Within the SEO and sharing section, look for the field that shows your current URL path, sometimes called the SEO path or slug. This is the part of the URL that comes after your main domain and is very important for both user experience and search engine optimization. Click into that field to edit it. Now, type in your desired URL path. Keep a few best practices in mind. Use only lowercase letters, replace any spaces with hyphens, and avoid special characters like question marks, ampersands, or symbols. A clean example might look like how to edit post URL rather than a long, complicated string of words. Keeping it short, descriptive, and readable will help both your visitors and search engines understand what the page is about. Once you're happy with your new URL path, scroll to the top or bottom of the editor and click Save and Close. This will apply your changes and return you to the blog list. Your post URL is now updated and your SEO path is set.